Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by installing essentials so the rest works smoothly. Install ZSH or Fish and a nerd font now. Fonts enable icons and ligatures. Then pick a terminal emulator like Alacrity or Kitty for GPU rendering and faster redraws. Once done, set your terminal to use the patched font and enable true color, 24-bit in preferences. Make sure to add the shell binary to /etc/shells and CHSH to set it as your default so the theming loads every session. Next, configure the prompt and plugins to display system info elegantly. Install OhmyZSH or use a lightweight framework, then add power level 10K or Starship. These render Git status, timings, and icons with minimal lag. Enable ZSH syntax highlighting and ZSH auto-suggestions for smarter typing. If using Fish, use Fisher plugins. Once configured, tweak segment order and colors so important data stands out. Make sure to restart the shell and run the themes configuration wizard to finalize glyph placement and performance settings. To finish, apply a cohesive color scheme and layout so your terminal is both useful and beautiful. Import Grovebox, Dracula, or Nord colors into the emulator and tweak background opacity and cursor style. Add tmux for panes and session persistence, and install FZF for fuzzy search. Wire them into key bindings. If something breaks, check 3 things. The patched font is active, the term variable supports true color, and your emulator declares 24-bit color. If prompts show icons as squares, reinstall the nerd font and reselect it in settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.